YouTube, this is Headache from Headache Plays, and there is the TV tray again, the butter knife, because this came in today. And now this is going to be my AC adapter for my SEGA Genesis. So, let's get the butter knife. Oh, and I did want to go over the wrapping. The first time I had seen this wrapping was on Review Tech USA. And it was really funny, so I wanted to go over it with you guys in case you haven't seen it. But it says, packaged using blast processing, welcome to the next level. Everybody knows SEGA Genesis. Notice if package exceeds 88 miles per hour, it may go back to the year 1985. Be careful when opening with box cutter, knife, or slap bracelets. I barely remember slap bracelets. Sorry for the cut-in footage there. My phone decided to stop recording. But we were here and I was explaining that I barely remember slap bracelets. I think I was 4. It was Easter time when my sister got a bunch of them and she gave me a few of them. But slap bracelets had this cloth on it, and if that cloth came off, it would cut the shit out of you. So, do be careful when opening this with a slap bracelet. Luckily I brought a butter knife, because I'm a smart guy. Don't want to cut myself with slap bracelets. Now moving on. Upon receiving, the recipient must yell, "I have the package," in the style of He-Man, which I did, because I knew this was going to happen. Actually, I didn't do that. I should have, though, because the mail guy would have been very confused. This box does not contain One-Eyed Willie's treasure. Nerd points if you get that. And, thank you, customer, but the items you ordered are in another box. And this one's covered. It says the same thing over here, so I can try to read through the paper. But it says, sealed using 3 cans, something. Open may require hammer and chisel. So, I don't know what that's from, and I don't know what the rest of it says. But, let's break out the butter knife. I really hate that I have to destroy this awesome wrapping paper. And as you can see, this is from Stoneagegamer. So, oh, I almost killed myself. I have officially decided that doing this one-handed is not easy, by any means. Oh, yes, and on the back there is another fridge magnet, which I got with my last one, the AV cables for the Genesis. So, my fridge will now have 2 of these, courtesy of Stoneagegamer. I also did want to mention that these guys have excellent service. I actually found out they had these AC adapters through an email. Oh no, it's packing popcorn. Hate packing popcorn so much, but that's okay. I'll feed it to the dog. I am kidding. And there it is. The masterfully heavy SEGA Genesis AC adapter. And over there lies the SEGA Genesis with my copy of Gunstar Heroes in it. So what you get to see now is me actually going over to the system, plugging this in, and seeing if my system works, which it should. So, and there's my old TV that I have had since the '94 earthquake in Northridge, because my grandparents decided to get a new one. So this has been playing SEGA Genesis since 1994. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here with one hand, like an idiot. Let me show you my tattoo equipment while I do this, because this is stupid, and I lack the necessary coordination to complete this in a timely manner. All my needles and barrels did come in. I am using this pad to practice my tattoos on. I only did half a skull, and that one was done actually without a stencil, so I am very proud of myself. Now that I undid that, and you didn't have to see it because it's magic, let's get this plugged in. Gotta pull this around the back of here. Smart guy. And you guys remember the GameCube. Now, let's get in there. Okay. So, this is going to be a fair mystery for all of us, whether or not this system is going to work. And it should. So, let's see about getting this on here. I'm turning. I unplugged the TV because I'm smart. Oh, fuck. Sorry if this seems all too tedious. I might have to speed up the footage a little bit for you guys. It's me doing all this nonsense. There it is, plugged in. The TV is on. It's on the appropriate channel. Let's pull this out. The Tommy controller that I opened a week ago, which feels quite inadequate, but we will definitely find out. So, here we go. Oh, it works. Oh my god. Gunstar Heroes is going to work. This is fantastic. All my dreams have come true. The greatest game ever made on the greatest system ever made, and that's why Awesome Man Entertainment will be doing a remake of this game. So, I will leave you all to yourselves, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will try to make this video not so long. Thank you.